Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Haleyville, Alabama, right here at H RV. Wow, we finally get to look at the brand new 2026 Durango models. So let's take a look. This is a 2026 KZ Durango, model number 321 RKT. So let's get started. The length on this Durango is 34 feet, 10 inches. The dry weight is 11,080 pounds with a hitch weight of 2,270 with a GVWR of 12,995.
Guys, we have shown you this floor plan before, but we are so excited to show you the updates that they have made for 2026. Right off the bat, you can tell by looking at the front cap, they have changed that. They've changed the graphics on it, and these Durangos are just looking sharp. So we can't wait to get started on this one. Now, we are on a parking lot that is sloped a little bit, so we're kind of low here in the front, but we're going to get down here and show you all of this storage right down here. So yeah, you've got this front storage here. Nice big space.
Wow, Xantrac, what is that? Is that a inverter?
Your inverter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
2000.
I mean, tons of storage space
Nice.
up front. Backing up, we're going to come down the side. I'm going to show you real quick up here. This is going to be a bedroom slide, so you can see that it is Schwintek, but then all of your other slides are going to be rack and pinion. Your leveling system's going to be right there with a little cover over it. You're going to have two propanes right here on the same side, so they're easy to get to. Your connections are going to be in here, and we're going to show you this basement area from the other side too, because if you guys have followed us for any length, you know how much we love the basement area on these Durangos, because they're just amazing.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Your tank pulls are going to be right down here, right next to one of your dump areas. Super convenient, all right there where you can get to it.
Now they have a whole new suspension this year.
So this is not the Moride or the Equiflex or anything like that. So this is all new. We're gonna walk back in. Now, like I said, we are parked a little bit on a slope, so
Hey,
don't let me fall off this hill here. But let me see if I can get some of the sides here so you can see this nice clean graphics that KZ has gone with.
ooh, you know what? Just let me have the camera. I'm going to show them a good picture of all the everything under here. There's a another. That's going to be a gray tank right there, and there's your pool valve. You've got a sewer caddy, and your spare tire is under here. But we're going to get all the way under here and see this massive suspension they've got now. Oh my gosh, this is really, really cool. All right, backing out. Backing out, there we go.
Yeah, now we're going to come back here and show you the back. I don't know how this sun, it may have a glare on it. If it does, I'm so sorry. But yeah, you've got all the, you're going to have a glare. But there is a ladder to get on top. It is prepped for a backup camera. And you do have a towing package on this. It should be rated up to 3,000 pounds. Our ever famous warning, just be careful if you decide to tow. Let me come back up the hill here. All right, right here at the back, you do have a little storage area here. You know, they could have just shut that off, but they decided that, hey, there was a spot there, so let's use it for storage. Your quick connect is going to be right under there. Now this does have 4-point leveling on it, but guys, look at this.
They've changed a little bit something here.
They have changed this just a little bit. Now in the previous models, this had a pellet grill, smoker, which it was awesome, but we like to sit outside and watch football games, and so this TV is just right up our alley. I'm just going to tell you, I like this a lot. You've got your pull-out griddle, nice little mini fridge, This is just the amazing tailgate setup.
What size is that TV?
I'm gonna say that is a 40.
It is a 40, yeah, 42. Wow.
Wow. All right, let's get up here and show you this other side of this front storage. Well, let's show you the battery compartment. So, yeah, so your batteries are going to go right down there. Your solar controller is up there along with your battery disconnect. And I'm going to get him to open this basement area. And we want to show you several things in here. As you can see, this basement area is just huge. It is just massive. You do have a Bluetooth speaker up here. Do you want to get in there and just slide it? They have given you an access panel in here so you can get to everything.
Everything looks really good back here too.
But as you can see, Jeremy is in the passenger. And again, this is one of the reasons why we love the Durangos. And it's like when you have kids, you're not supposed to have a favorite, but we do. Anyway, so here's another shot of the neat new graphics. Do we know the awning length?
Yeah, 16.
16, and it does have an LED light strip. And if I'm not mistaken, I think these are going to be, looks like they're prepped for toppers, if you want to add those.
Nice light in here.
Are you just going to hang out in the
I
basement?
think I'll just hang out in the basement. Wow.
All right, let's go in. We got to show them the inside, because they have made a few tweaks in here. One of them that we've noticed right off this bat is the this neat new door latch. Alright guys, coming in, you see it's a rear kitchen. Like I said, we have shown you this floor plan before, but they have done some little tweaks and updates. So we'll just start right back here. This is going to have solid surface countertops in the kitchen. So you've got some storage there, and you can also access that from the other side. And
Got the drawers.
nice drawers, and these are going to be soft close drawers.
Oh, look.
And you got your tire monitor in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a bunch of other.
All kinds of stuff in there. Remotes and everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
And soft close.
While he's closing everything out, let me go ahead and show you one of your AC units, and you do have a ceiling fan in here.
And big fan.
Big fan, yes.
Yeah. Sorry, I like to point that out too.
So you got this neat storage up above, big old convection microwave here. Storage on the other side. Looking down here, you are going to have the bigger 4-burner cooktop with the big oven. So if our friend Karen is still watching, here you go.
And everybody comment on these videos.
Yes, we need you guys to comment.
That helps us get our videos out.
Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, because that does help the little algorithm thing in there. Yeah, and then you've got your solid surface inserts are down there, and you've got a little rack to put those in. Garbage cans already in place. Great storage up above the sink. You do have the big stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. And I'm just going to comment something, and I want somebody else to chime in on this. I have had people say, well, I don't like these sinks because food gets stuck in the corners. Well, here's a little secret, guys. Go to Walmart, go to Dollar General. You can even go to the Dollar Tree. They make these wonderful things called dishcloths. And when you get finished, you just wipe them down, and you don't have food stuck in the corners. There we go.
Check out that.
That is
Here, let me help you out a little bit and get you on up there. Wow.
Lots of storage up above this residential fridge.
It's still locked.
That's locked.
Ah.
Yeah, great big
See,
French door.
we didn't prep all of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
With the freezer. Now this big, massive slide out over here is across from your campsite. So you're going to have a table with the freestanding chairs. Wait a minute. Freestanding table with chairs.
Yeah,
and this
that
table
sounds good.
comes out. And I'm not really sure how, but it has a... It does something.
There.
Yeah.
It does that. And
Yeah.
then
Yeah. And
it
then
folds down,
Yeah,
right?
it unfolds.
Yeah, there it went.
There we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
knew
it
it.
does make it a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
And you got a little storage up under it,
So
too.
hey, if people like to do puzzles, or store your laptop, you got
Uno.
plenty of space. Yeah. Big windows back here. They're all going to open, so you're going to have some great airflow if you want them. I do like that KZ has gone to the little more squared off
Yeah, I noticed that.
look. Nice, clean valances. They're still using Thomas Paine furniture, but guys, these are upgraded. We've already sat in these, and
Yeah.
they're nice and soft. Got storage there, cup holders. Finishing out your seating area in the living room, you're going to have another love seat over here. It's going to make a sleeping area. Just tons of storage up above.
There's your
Yeah,
fuses.
your fuses are hidden up there.
Your
Yeah,
Victron Energy, all that. There's your,
yeah,
that.
that.
I can't even think.
You have a place right here to hang up jackets or dog leashes, whatever. Do give you plenty of power outlets in here.
Inverter control.
Yeah, that's what it
That's
is.
what it is.
But
Nitty,
now,
come to me.
when you have a seat over here on this wonderfully cushioned theater seat, oh gosh, guys, this is comfortable. Then you have your entertainment area, and
night.
oh my word, I have got to see if I can show you this, how deep this storage is. You can't even reach the back of that, yes. I mean,
No.
I mean, it is very deep. Of course, this is your outside kitchen and entertainment center outside. This looks like is this that's not a 50, is it?
Oh. It's a 42.
42, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, you got a 42 outside and a 42 inside. So hey, just pick your spot where you want to watch stuff. Sound bar down below that, and you do have electric fireplace. Now, KZ is going to still put their heating in the floor right down here. And again, there's that other side of that storage that you can get to from the kitchen area.
And this one is the same.
Yeah.
Wow.
I also love that something for 26 they have done, so you have the little darker, warmer cabinets in the kitchen area, but then over here in the entertainment, you have got the lighter cabinets. Excellent. All right, are you guys ready to head up the stairs, and let's show you what else they have changed for 26. Controls are going to be right here. So here's the next big thing. They have revamped their bathrooms. Yeah. So, still going to give you the really nice one-piece encore. Got a skylight. Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Plenty of headroom. But now these have a little angle down here at the bottom. And once again, basically no step up, just step over the door and you're in the shower.
Well, it's I don't know how to measure this
Don't know
one.
how to measure this one.
Because
Yeah, because it does
angles
have
in.
it's got an angle.
Yeah. I don't think we've seen nothing like this
But
before.
now they're giving you the pull-down seat instead of the molded seat.
Well, it's a 42 wide, 30 back here.
I think they go by the widest,
Well,
more than likely.
30 to 42.
They also are going to give you the really big exhaust fan in here, and you
That is
basically
cool.
have 2 medicine cabinet areas. So you've got this one with your towel rack, and it is over your porcelain foot flush toilet. Again, you've got your heating down there. You've got storage underneath your sink. Now this is the only drawback in here. This is a small area right here. Let me step in here where you can kind of get a better idea. It is a little bit small, but they give you you have another mirrored medicine cabinet up here. And then you've got the one that's behind me. But then you get this. Okay, we'll start at the bottom.
Yeah.
So you have these 3 drawers down here.
That's nice.
Really
I like that.
good sized drawers, soft close. And then you've got your linen closet. So yes, we are going to give it the golden plunger.
Yes.
I personally would like to see a little more space around the sink, but I like the way they have done these bathrooms because you can access it from the hall out here or also from the bedroom. So this is actually going to give you a little more space in the bedroom to be able to make up the bed.
Yeah.
Which is a big deal, trust me. So, speaking of the bedroom, here we go. You are going to have a king size bed. There is an option to order it with a queen, but I think they're gonna come with a king size.
Yeah.
You've got windows around it, lights up above,
And they still went with the
blackout shades.
blackout shades throughout.
Yeah. So you have little shelves on both sides, motion lights down here, power, USB, USB. No, USB. USB is on these. But yeah, and then you've got really decent space on this side to make up the bed. You turn around without making anybody too busy. You do have a second AC in here. And then you've got this dresser system at the foot of the bed. Now this is new. This is 8 drawers? Yeah. Wow. Because I think they've been doing 4 drawers.
Hey, have they started doing dovetails?
Oh.
Somewhat. They haven't been doing that.
Very nice. And these are going to be soft close also.
Yeah. Oh.
Now, if you want to add another TV, it'll go right up there. I love that they give you a nice big window here.
We're going to do this one first?
Yeah, we're going to do this little shifty dance here. And, of course, prepped for a stackable washer dryer. Or you can just leave it like it is.
But they didn't put a hanging bar in it.
They didn't put a hanging bar in it.
Huh.
But I'm sure that's...
You can be added.
Yeah. Yeah, so you do have the slatted door, so ready for your dryer. And then they give you this. I think they have actually lowered this shelf a little bit. It seems to be a little bit lower. But then there is your hanging rack all the way to the end. And then they have incorporated space here for your shoes. Really like that. Yeah. So they have really made some great upgrades and tweaks and changes for 26. We need your comments on this. So, hey, tell us what you think. How do you feel about this rear kitchen model?
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of this KZ Durango. If you like this model, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.